All right, trick number 6. I really hope you're enjoying all this stuff, because I am, all right? Have you ever heard a magician say he's going to saw a lady in half? Well, of course, I could not find a lady to do this trick. So what I'm going to use is a little piece of thread here, and we'll use this. We'll call that the box, I guess. We'll place the lady inside the box, just like this. All right, make sure it's going in there. All right, just like that, all the way down. There it goes, almost out. Oh, there it is. You see? Comes all the way out like this. All right, and then I need some scissors to do the magic. I am going to cut the straw for the box, right like this. And with magic, if I can get it to work, I'll put that, there we go, right back together, just like that. You see? You hear? That's the applause I'm getting. Yes. All right, well, stick around. Make sure nobody's here, and we're going to show you how this works. But for this one, very simple, easy to do. What you're going to need is an X-Acto knife, your piece of thread or string, whatever you want to use, as long as it will fit into the straw. Now here's what's going to happen. You're going to take the X-Acto knife and go probably about from here down to here. Just make one slit, okay? I'm going to do it on the table. You don't want to do it like that, it will cut yourself. Make a little slit, probably about 1.5 inches, okay? Let me show you. So it's going from there all the way down to there. You see it? All right? That's the secret, okay? Now, you're going to place this in here, through here like this. You want to keep that slit facing towards you so nobody will see it. But they won't be suspecting anything yet, because they haven't seen you do anything, so they don't know what's going on. So you pull that all the way through there. You get them about even, okay? Now when you're ready to do the cut, you fold the straw right in half, okay? Now here's the secret move. I'm going to pull both of these at the same time. And this yarn, or whatever you have here, is going to go, watch, you'll see it come down to about right there, watch. Go, just give it a little tug, and there it went. You see? You see it right there? That way now you can cut anywhere up here and not destroy the thread. Okay, watch. So here it is right here. You see? So you want to cut right like that. There it went. All right. Then when you're ready to restore it, do a little magic move like this, maybe. Good. And then you can pull the straw off and show them that you restored it. Now they're going to want to check this out, so give it to them. Let them have this. Let them have the straws. And there you go. If you like the trick, make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Give me a thumbs up, and please share this, unless you're going to show it to your friends. Don't share it to them. You want to keep the secret. All right? Thanks a lot. See you later.